Residents of Medina joined thousands of Ghanaians across the country today, Friday, 10th July 2026, in the national cleaning exercise aimed at improving sanitation and preventing flooding during the raining season. The exercise saw schools, market centers, streets, homes, and public spaces being cleaned as residents cleared choke gutters and removed plastic waste from the environment. Speaking to Apex Multimedia Pro Plus, the Municipal Chief Executive, Honorable Alhaji Ibrahim Fuseni, emphasized the importance of keeping the municipality clean at all times and not only during national exercises. He urged residents, traders, and business owners to take responsibility for sanitation in their communities. The MCE also revealed that some market women who refused to participate in the exercise were arrested and fined by the assembly to serve as a deterrent to others and to encourage compliance with sanitation regulations.
7:30, we've already taken some of the actions because there are some other guys or other traders who also take part in the morning, that is defying the directives by bringing their wares or their belongings to sell. In fact, they were spot charged and then they were fined to pay the spot fine. Failure to do that, they'll be prosecuted by Monday to court.
How many people have you picked up so far?
So far, we picked about 7. And I'm told, when I got here, I'm told there are other 2 that they also arrested inside the market itself. Because this is a national call. It is not about we. It's not about you. It's about call during the flood that we need to also exercise that right to ensure safety for our food, safety for our own environment, safety for our own living. And that is why we are also putting these measures to keep this work active. Well, today I need to thank the good people of Medina, the good people of Teman, Medina Zongo. In fact, the basis, if I'm to mention, in fact, they came out. If my calculation sets me right, we are having a total number of no less than 1,100 youth. You can see what is happening behind me here. They are the ones doing the work. In fact, they only need small logistics to do their work. They don't need anything from the assembly or the government, but they came willingly with a love and passion for the country to be able to do that. So, I'm thanking each and every one of them. And I also appeal that if these directives, apart from the national sanitation day exercise that we are doing, will continue be enjoying on we the MMDCs, just like what people are saying, that go and learn from the Medina MCE, so that we, as we are doing it, others will also continue to emulate on that angle and continue it. Right. Thank you very much.
The Assembly Member for Medina Social Welfare, Honorable Joseph Kojo Ahiano, also stressed the need for community involvement in maintaining a healthy environment, noting that poor sanitation contributes significantly to flooding and the spread of diseases.
The Honorable Joseph Kojo Ahiano, Assemblyman, Social Welfare North Electoral Area in the Lankwantanai Municipality.
Yamawakwa ba me hu se mu ye cleaning den ti na mu ye cleaning because Ghana ye ntan nya sa de we
Yo yada say na before me wo question na no me pese me fa akwanya we so na minda omampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene ni mpanifo ne nyina ase ena ye ba Lankwantanai Medina Municipal Assembly pese me chia me MC Chief Honorable Ibrahim Fuseni Faila and the Member of Parliament, Honorable Francis Dr. Xavier Soso, MP. Na nieti ye clean up exercise eneno ana anopa we ni say sena about a week ago sena flooding ana ensio kese na eto ya sena yire ekọ nkofo fie ne mantem no na ye ho na ye omampani say enne wayi enne ni ochina esi eho se yentumi esiesie ye mantem ye fie ye gates mu ne bibia enu nchi na ene a wabetu ye se ye clean up exercise no.
Okay, nti se wo hwe 2 days ya ye mampani ye esi wo no wugidi se ensua
metumi akase esua bet enam nchechire a assembly members MCs ne MPs yede ama yenkofo no ene ye unit committee fo na eyade a yemfa dwumade no ensi ochina ta yebeka se because omampani se 2 days nti 2 days na besi a eno no no yenye nti ye na ye mantemfo no ye community fo akasa ama omanya nti asese dwumade yi no yebeye de bia ana every week bia no at least say yemu bia obia entumi enye clean up exercise ewo ba bia oche
honorable ususu say your president was share nemra anka emwaye
oh ebe bua papa because wo hwe ekroma enen kasa mi ankasa kra manage pa because ekrofo bi wo ho areas ne bi wo ho kra like for the past and for the 6 months 1 year ni cleaning activity bia nkoso wo ho be enen no be bia aye clean enti say omampani etumi ma parliamentarians no e de ye mra ebe boa pa
pacho we area ha no enso ni toy no obetima kire nioma etimi affect ye
na say electoral area ne sunchi no this particular area ye gina die ensio no enshada affect me community no for no but baby o ho aye friend Medina Agbogloshi that is action school nechi ne we no ho no de waterlogged area enti ho no boa rankofo kiosk mu ekrofo fie de krofo bi mu kiosk ni baby a omo da na we no omo mattress na we no ekọ
honorable nti me psewa me pase obi a ono waye na dwen se on clean ni fie obi a waye na dwen se mapia mu ye adwuma obi de na waye na dwen se on de onye advice be na de ben se nipa no
me da say advice a me de be ma sa nipa no se me sre omo a we enye amayosem se be ka se bi a MPP ana NDC ye e de aboa ye ankasa ye ho because yare eba yare me ka se we bi a NDC na wo so nti no me attack NDC for e ko attack MPP for kwa na enka so se MPP for kwa area ni nti me attack omu e be attack ye nyina nti me hre obia se yempie na yensese ye mantem no mu na ebomu se me a me ye assemblyman munim se me nemu ye fine pa be se me roba bi mo fie ana mo fie nim mo community na me hu se ene mo anye adwuma na asoche bi e wo ho bia no ye de be ma mo
honorable me da se mpache odin biem
yo me so me da se me de the honorable Joseph Kojo Ahianyo
da se ye no akasa o Epes Multimedia Pro Class so
me so me da mo ase pa nyame nhira ye nyina.
Also speaking to Isaka, representative from the Waste Management Company operating in the municipality, assured residents of their commitment to supporting the assembly with regular waste collection and proper disposal to keep Medina clean and safe.
Thank you. Isaka.
Yeah, please, from what is going on, do you have anything to say?
Yes, I think that this is a good exercise with regards to recently the flooding that happened. We believe that cleaning our gutters is a very good initiative that the president has initiated, and I think that we should recommend the president for such initiative. And so, with regards to ours, because we are also into the waste management as a company, we decided to also volunteer and assist about 3 constituencies. From Ayawa, so Medina, and then Adenta.
So is it going to end here or you continue?
Oh, that's what I'm saying, that we are a company and we are into waste management. So our work is every day. We are 24 hours. But for now, because we are here this morning, is because of this exercise. Because of what we do, we wanted to just volunteer, also support the government.
From the analysis and what you said, what are the things that you lay down to support?
Okay, so if you can see, our tricycles are here. It's about 4. We have others at Ayawaso, and then there is some at Adenta. So these are the support. Apart from the equipment, we are also having human resource on the grounds. Our workers are also at the various constituencies.
Okay, so do you have any advice that you can also give to the citizens?
Yes, I mean, the only thing we keep saying is that, you see, when there is flood, I mean, the president is not the one who caused it. we eat and dump the refuse into the gutters, and at the end of the day, it flood into our homes. So from today going, I mean, you must be a watchdog. If you are in a community, anybody throwing rubbish in the gutter, you must be a watchdog and report the person to police. Thank you very much.
The exercise brought together various stakeholders, including personnel from the Ghana National Fire Service, the Ghana Police Service, the Ghana Armed Forces, and the Electricity Company of Ghana, who joined residents and assembly officials in clearing refuse, distilling gutters, and cleaning public spaces across the municipality. Their participation demonstrated a collective commitment to improving sanitation and reducing the risk of flooding and disease outbreak in the community.
Now we are in Asariboche, Medina, Asariboche, third gate. We are cleaning there with our policemen together. We want everybody to come out on board so that we do it together because of the rain and then the flood in Ghana. Thank you.
Akwa baba Ipes Multimedia so mpacho din di sen.
Mpacho mi din de Madam Victoria Okai.
Wow, udin ye de papa.
Medase.
Okay, enne ye hu se John Dramani Mahama ye hwa bonte amanfo ye cleaning. Na cleaning no asembe na abeka fa ho.
Ni ameka fa ho ne se cleaning na eye adwuma pa. Eye se ye cleaning isan se or say cleanliness unto godliness eye say ye ahominidie eye pa isan say efin wo hwe kra manipa yare nti wo say ye mpatemu da bi biara ye di fin egugo bi wo ho a ne bola no de pia bonten o hwe ha no de egu gatem ni nyina enye nti no dwumedi a ye man panyin di abase wo say ye di ye hu ni ye mpatem ye dwa so ba bi biara ye tonwade bi wo say ye hwe na ye siesie ho kama na eba ne sa akra na ebe den se obeyare isan se fin wo ho kra manipa yare akra metimi aka fa ho
Na me pacho Yewura Mahama 2 days pa o se enfa ye cleaning no wa hwa eye.
Me pacho ni fe bi na ye ni fe bi so no 2 days ni di ankesha ewo mu a wa ba bi a wo tonwade wo dwa so ba bi a wo hyedwa ewo mu a 2 weeks bi na wa we clean ho ono nkola na wo ho ono nkola ni nyina mo siesie ho kama enti 2 days ni de yes ya ye na mom no 2 days ni kwan se so ho a na mom ye boye ho modern se 2 weeks acha akra ne bosome na wotwe mienu ba bi a ye wo na wo se ye di honi na ye di honi a ema edwuma na ye no kra ne koso e de nkoso ba because ton ade wo ba bi na se wonni honi a obi kra beto ade a e be den se obeden obeba won chan ba beto ade na nso udi honi a nipa no oba cross area ha neat ma me nkoto ade wo ho nti yes I bring abre so no ye di empathy mu ni
Nti se wo hwe ye good se ye president obehemra na nka ye compose se nka sa dan bi adu anka ye de be clean ana
me ba try compulsory
Asembe na ka beka kire.
ye president.
Kakra me ka cha ye man panyin se dia wa ma ya ye eye efe ne senti no ewo mu a onsan emmoso be bosome anana wotwe mienu na wotwe mienu no wa bosome ba say bosome because ya ye nene ye kakra ebetimi ya ne yenso ye ye nti wo mu abosome a na wasan so aka aboye nka ye biom ne yetimi aye na aye fefefe
Nti advice ben na de ma normal Ghanaian na oti ni fie a gota kese eni nsuo enam na area.
me ba cho kakra meka ne say obi a oti ba bi eti se bia no obehwe se oye fin a na se aduane bi kita no na so di wi a ne bag mu kra no wa mo ama na ode ato modru ne fie a na ode ato ne dustbin ehu hia se we ne kra wa no ato atwe gatanim we ne nsuo fin bi a no we hwe egu gatanim eno emmoa eno ebebo fin bebre ano na de ohaw ne nso hwe beba sania na no dwada no ye hu se esi ye no
Me da se ma odin bi
me pa cho me de antivic
me da se me no akasa o Ipes Multimedia.
me da si bebre so so ni me di nkomo
Din di say
Within the William Mekasefre Medina.
okay so wo hwe and the cleaning exercise na ekoso na wa hwe asa na
Oh, my idea, pa. You know, I had you know, I can't be cleaning, but If you are never Madina, the easy by Yamia Domia, Yinina, Esrese cast no, Ebe Banabe Pikin, Nina, Diako.
Okay, so we get 2 days here. You Mahama de Maya. Osha cleaning you bit my nina.
Oh, you bet me, you can see a bear, you bet me, because materials never higher the edge, man. See, you can see a bear, you bet me.
2 days, Feno. Washa, a bebwagana.
Oh, 2 days, maybe boy, say, obet me, charmant to be out to one, say, every month, says, no, every month, be a bit me, I be.
Into to say, you Mahama or Shamra Senka every month be a 2 days and came Wagana.
Ebe Ghana pa serious.
Na paso ka kire Yewura Mahama fawe.
Me pese me kan kire ne se on yere ne ho anon koso na omayenye ne sina ne yeye ne dada na ne beyi.
So wa hwe de we na omaye cleaning wa Madina e ba ya customer percentage aka be ma say.
Oh, anka mema 85%.
Na say udimbium
Me dey William.
Okay, yeah, that's see show Apex Multimedia. So
Okay, me so da wase pa.
welcome to Apex Multimedia Pro Plus. What's your name?
My name is David.
Yeah. Today what is going on here?
I learned there's a sanitation, like nationwide sanitation going on. So we are all supposed to like make sure our environment is clean our gutters and all that. Yeah.
So after looking of the 10, I think this was ordered by the president, right?
Yeah, exactly.
The 2 days that he gave for this screening exercise, do you think he's going to favor Ghana?
Very, very, very. It will favor us in very much because whilst I was coming from Boche, I saw that the whole place was like everyone was involved in cleaning their environment and everyone was busy cleaning the gutters and all that. So I think it will be a very good initiative.
So from what you are saying, you know, it's not good for the government to give an order so that it will be going on every month.
Yeah, I think it will be. I think it will happen. I think it's because at first they used to do it every 2 weeks. So I think after the floods and all that, I'm pretty sure the government will give the initiative that each and every month or something, everyone should clean his environment.
Look like the way they've removed the gutters. Do they have a place where they can put all this rubbish?
Yeah. I saw some Zoom Lion vehicles going about. I think they are doing a really good job taking the rubbish and all that from the gutters and everywhere. So I think, yeah, they have a good disposable unit that is taking care of the rubbish and all that.
So at the scale from 1 to 100, how much can you give it to John Mahama?
Right now, I can say 70% because it's now initiating the whole process. So I think 70% is okay. So maybe in future we could rate it maybe about a 90 or 100. Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to Apex Multimedia Pro Plus.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Akwa baba Apex Multimedia so mpacho odin di say.
Pacho friend me Auntie Agi.
Auntie Agi so hwe enne the we are training exercise course wa asembe na beka ache uniano.
Asema meka ne say ye kwaso ye beboan because efi no dɔɔso dodo eno ka ho bi nti na ma nso yiri ne ba na say ye nuanom efa ye nuanom kunkun won bebre no nti ye kwaso ya ebeboa yen pa.
Okay, so hwe osha ye papa John Dramani Mahama wamaye ayeye ususu se ye toa so a emboa yen
Ebeboa yen na emomu ye pa ne cho emre no ekọ akiri dodo sese market no e wo fom nti say ye start ne be say by 6 no na ebo be say at least 11 to 12 na ebeboa one ne de ekwan no ewo mu dodo sa na yen so ye bedi ne ye bebre
ususu se efi no adoko yen nti no ye se oyi ohemra nanka ebia every month be anka 2 times in a month what do you say
2 times in the month ni de yes say yenya no 1 month but say no de wo mu ni say unipa kwa de ade beto form no say omo around ho no omo so omo ye hu bibi because obi ho de ade to form okokan na ni buafu o say ha na obeda na okekan de opechel nti ekoso ye beboa yen ama oman no mu ate
nti se wo hwe ene efi a ye yi a ye benya ba di de agu
eno na ye dwen ho no say he na ye de beko efi ni anwea na ye nso ye ka ho bi di che say ye pragu gatam ye pra ye nye ni ye nti ye se omo mpe kasa ye bola na at least 3 days bia no ebe ni na nenam edwom na omo timi abesesa e de aboa ye
nti ene Madina market obia ya to market no obie no a ye bie meboa
me pacho ene ya tum sabre kra ye mbie a ye guso a ye adwuma yi
nti ebeboa yen pa
nti wunu bi a wo fie wunu bi a wo village a ono nso onim hygiene ene efi a ye gotes achokuchoki asan na opasa o ka kire o
me pese me ka kire obi a se ahonudie eye enkofa wo hawo ne yare emre yen nti se wo kronkituom se bi se wo akurase ese se wo tutu fi gugu ba bia at least wo ye obola wa chekire gata yemfa efi ento gatem ti sa na meka
me da se wakasa kire Epes Multimedia
acho yo onso me da ase
so me mo akwa baba Epes Multimedia mpacho odin de sen
me den de e kwesi anom de frame ba me dian kasa de setayim
wow na wo hwe ena adwuma ekoso cleaning exercise ya ekoso a wa hwe a ebetima boaye
aha no de ebeboa but adwuma na kasa no me fan say 100% a men kan say na adwuma na de ya ne de me fan say be 30% 70% na kasa aka because botany mu na choku fitiachire na aba na ade no se ne aye no se botany mu na o me ntimi anyi a adwuma na aye no aniani nko na atete ne aka na kasa wa say 2-3 days nso tope be se ayi
nti ususu se 2 days na ya papa de ma ani so a
2 days ne de anka ye nanso ye ha no wo hwe se we o masifa kata gata no so ne de 2 days ne de ntimi fenye
okay nti se wo hwe de we o mayi bola ene enuoma gu fo ma ye benya ba bi de agu
mza samefo no so agbo mo homoden de cars ni ade a omo twe bola no de ko enti me sure say omo so menya ba bi o mbetimi de agu ama ye ho atoye
so hwe exercise ya akoso ene ya ususu se nka every month bia ye ne twice anka beboa o my Ghana
anka beboa papa because nese ne manfo aban numbers no se ye ne say ya to so every month bia ba na de anka so tokura betimi ananta go fema bia ya kama
nti se obi a wo hwe wo Epes Multimedia wo we kurase a ono wonim se bibi se na se wo ye wo ne kurase a ensuo afa ne nkrofo o mu nim e de na obeka kire o
mema mu yakọ na fezuma ka kire o se efi na ekum ye enti se wudidi ana wo ye bola bi a pepa bi papa na fa bola no fato na ma environment na wo timo no ma munye clean se de be ya nsuo to a enti menyiri
me da se no makasa wo Epes Multimedia so udin biem
media ne kwesi daily bread bebe na afre me kwesi wo station me driver wa
me da se
me da se
so mpacho odin de say
Boatin Alest.
Boatin
Alest.
okay say na wo hwe exercise ya ekoso ya
bollers ya yi edi agugu ha wudi se ochina omo se nto bollers mu hobiem
Enyumle krombe.
Enyumle krombe nti se ede na opasa wo ka kire obi a wo hwe
Oh, dem pese me ka kire obi wo hwe bia nse oman ye nyina ye dia nti bolle na de bia ni a omfa nwu ye se be ya ni bolla nyina kan ya mansu yire ni we se nyina ba na because gat ni mosi nti gat ni ko gu bolla ni ma bolla ni ko gat ni ma nso ni bia kwan ko nyina kan mansu yire ni ba na
okay so hwe efi a ewo gota mu a aban na ye anase nipa anase ye mo a omo ton ne ma na ye bona
timanfo na
nti ede na abeka kire wo
de me ka kire mo se omo ya omo kipi bolla ni ye omo pla omo kipi ni ye na bolla ka be fa nko
nti obi a wo hwe wa wonim se na training exercise ekoso a wonim a otifie a sa nipa no kra otimo se nsu afa ni nipa bi na ede na abeka kire no
de me ka kire se ede ya wo pie kra na ede ya wate ana se nsu afo obi aso afo onia bia na se be bisa on kipi ni bolla na on kipi ni ma ye se be ede aso de beba
that's so na makasa udimbi
Boatin Alest.
Thank you so much udin the same
your friend junior and I idea do be adi ni me wo ha that day e wo asante le
exercise here ekoso ede nti na ye clinic ha no sa
na me say flood ni insoto a eyire wa hapa na nansa ana previously which is 29th June inso na to no e ma ha yere pa nti no mampanyin say na wetu nice ya say damienu yemfa enyi gatas mo gatas na choki no ene rubbers na choki gatas mo nti ene enuti na ho say ye wa ha
so hwe na mienu no nso amaye because adwuma na ho na nso se na mienu no
adwuma na eso che na mienu no but kakra yentumi nya ni nyina da kro nti ebe ne kakra
nti bibusa se saban hye se nka every month be 2 days anka mo o ma Ghana
ebe bo apa
nti ede na president wa ha obeka kire
o meka say anka onya no media me kura me nya anka na watwe bia yenye because ya na ye fi no nti na watwe bia ye ya ebedu bebi ne ye bejai because ye de bia na I say de bia ye ma wo ye asiesi krum I say men bi shop nti odi one day ebe ye sai juma na ebe boa nti ebe ma bola no unam na unu musuo kura ebe ka say me de to agata no be choki ye be ka say ye ntu shop mu ne enye nti no ebe boa me de me nya kura nka na watwe bia yenye
sa wo hwe ballers ya yeyi a ye benya ba bi de agu
elo de mean to mean kire me ni be aban aprovide say yeyi a ye de ko akogu mom ene de me ni mu hwe sesia me ka say bia ye benya baby ana ye nya baby fengu
nti sa wo hwe exercise ya akoso a ede na ususu say aban de boa nka be boa ma adwuma na ye sempa amatiman mu
oh de ya ni say ode ye benya dasmin na ye be hye mrakete say ohun say wunia e de baller hye gatemu a obetima report so I was say emra no eye adwuma nti ye sa na e be boa yen pa
so hwe gotema yeyi ni efin mu a wa hwe aban na ye ya na sa wo mo ha na ye
we no pa de nya aban ye ha me no we ye ade aye go ha no aban government and president kra eni ha Medina market ka me nya so say president kra eni ha
nti wo hwe anka han pa na esese nkokiri ni ha aban ana se yan yete ya
ye timamfo na any shops for na ye
nti asembe na aka che uni awo
o asema me ka che me ram say ye ndi yehuni ye di yehuni ebe boa ye di yehuni ebe boa ye ehuni die die eye wo ho na odi huni a eye ye say nyankopon kra ampefi nti wo ye wo ho na odi huni a eye fine pa
nti ebe twen se de bi ensuo be fa yan ansa na ye be yi gotes no
dabi anka na me ka say me nya kra anka na watwe bia no aban ema ye nye ne na watwe bia
da se so ni person to media akasa
da se
so
ato din di say
Pacho from Samuel Ajindem me ye adwuma wo Madina market ya ye da abans pa say aban atumi de nhihye aba na nhihye na aban de bae no enye na first time Ghana for ya so edin abadi kan ka say ankabosumi bia the first month of the no yemfanye sanitation mihwemu a se na ya so mu na gidigidi na ye no ye digidigidi be ye na ya ochenechine atiada na yempanyimfo na ada sabi Madina market ayo problem kese bi power ha yo bakol me de minim council ekoma Madina council mpanyimfo no yo bakol wa ha awosanka badisa bakol no ba na bakol no be yi gota na ya cover so no nyina even 40 ya nkasa ye front ho ye yi gota nyina mfo nkotum na se gota no nyina demu a megidi se shop bia wo ha bia be hu se nsuo to a esi manim nti gota no dem meyi batene ye betumi yi de fia de akwakodu obedu na wo akova so na ama asem aba obi wo so a owo so bi yi a ukoka na di ntokwa nti sa de we ya ye even pra de ya gu asese ye pe machine be ba be sesa bola na gu ochina ubo se bola yi hwa egu obi store ani ontu me be gu be se 4 days 1 week na eyi bia nso to de ya sese nso to sese ye ochina pe ni nyina be san kwa ko gu goten na ye koya na e ba ye nti ye de be sere se aban de wa ma ya ye nei ochina so ya tuaso ochemu fa bako no mbra machine susu mbra ye yi no ye sisa fo ngum se de be nso to a anko gugota no adwuma na ya ye no na ye adwuma ho no me de masem no
nti se sia no my last question is aban mawo tools ba ko say faboa anka den tools na ka be pray say aban fa mo
tools de anka ye hia tools say aban betumi aboa ye any tools a em say shop ha ye wo lay ye wo mpanyimfo wa ha aban betumi di tools na bra ye edi your friend say pickers be say 20 or the abraya Sophie be say 20 ya pop panyi ba ko ya da hye ne nsem busumi bia anam say gota ne dem shop bia em say shop bia wo employees wo ho nti obi abe announcement chale brother force wa week we do next week ya employees ya ye tools ya be clear gota mu kama because ya wo fie bi wa kwansuo to a ugina ha we field is very 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 seriously nti saban be boa ya dia ya wo mpanyimfo wa ha ye wodi adi tu obi wa ha ye fa tools no be hye ne pa kono nsem ne ye frɛ no na eni ne ntenase ono ne tools no wɔ nsem first month of the week no edu so a shop bia ye nyina betumi asom ne nyina ya ye na ye kama
okay nti se wo hwɛ 2 days here John Dramani Mahama odi amayen after these 2 days no then na wo pese wo sen ye biem
oh after 2 days here me dey hia me an say on hye mu kina
na obi hu say every month be at the end of the month no 2 days general cleaning the whole day e ma yen no half day ye ka say ye no half day na obi wo ha ye wo shop na bi wo betina fie ni workers betina fie on back because of you see 12 o'clock but the shop run you share the kitchen say the whole day in here and the woman will labor and ban no patutu no be you about 12 near say we can open our shop
who say ade we enum guase ma Ghana na
enum guase ma yen nkuri mi amekasa kwa enum guase ma yen nyina enum guase
me da say enti si ya no final kra obi a o hwe o wa monone nkranhye sem be na abeka kire na obema na hu say obeba Ghana be clean
nkranhye sem a ewo mo na say ono wo amanano because amanano no mo emra wo ho onim se na onum sitie ba enam se meme wo Ghana me ya bibia afi ni ntino ono so oba na obetu se ayefia ono so want to me nka hwe ba se ono no ba na se e bia me a me gina we gota imu eye clean bibia ye clean obi bisa se oh wan ye me na me ye ono so no edusu a ono so be den obesom na che se yensom ani nipa na ko na nyina ya na bibia so aye den aye kama
me da se so no me akasa
yesu ye da se pa nyame nhira mo
Aisha. So if you see how the exercise is going on, are you happy?
No,
Why are you not happy?
because of the ballers.
You don't like baller. But they are cleaning the place for you so that water will not destroy your house. Are you not happy?
I'm happy.
Okay. So what will you say to Mahama?
We are good for what the mama is doing for us.
Okay. And you?
They are doing a great job.
You are doing a great job. The gutter is well clean, right?
Yes.
So when we say from 1 to 100, how much can you give it to Mahama?
100.
Okay. Thank you so much. Listen.
Some abra akoto.
Abna akoto. Mpacho ene exercise na akoso cleaning no. Mu amu stores na hama na.
Me pacho ha yakura. Ha yakura.
Okay, nti wa hwe mfaso be na de abram.
Mfaso bebre de abraya market for ma. Ene emema mpanifo e nyina. Medina fo nyina ade mfaso abraya.
Okay, nti se wa de wi a se mfaso abrɛ no. Wo hye Mahama senka onfa enani bi nka ho ana.
Me pacho wo me de ne senka mama. Omo modia no matanka fo nya adwuma. Kane na matanka fo ya adwuma no. Na sa ne ma we nyina ye ni ho. Ane na me de ehia me. Ye matanka fo sa amra biem. Ha.
Nti sa wo hwe cleaning yi, wo hwe fire service, ECG. Omu nyina wo board de wi adwuma ne be so aboso be na wo de bebo.
Me mama Yankopon hira no no ma no kwatenten no ma na kukuduro so betimi de agina Ghana etimi aboa Ghana ma Ghana etimi akonanim
Wa hwe bole ya ne ye agu ho a ade a chia wugidi se omusa ne begu obi ma
minye ni se de nipa ni abre no se Medina fo ma ye ho ha ya adwo se ba di port abeto okra me ye be twa ne ya no wayo ye be twa di wakọ ya kacho no amfa ye be twa ne ye de wa ama cancel for.
Okay, yeah, that's the sound near Kasa.
Me damase.
But you didn't say.
Bede Ahmed Mohammed.
An exercise na akoso wa ha no, say na obeka no.
Oh, Medina fo akire say ye nya bie. Ana enye ni bie no nkwa ye pese ye ha enti. Eni ti a ye peninti na Medina ye nheda enya problems. But in the hwa efi akwada ekosi abrewa ana nkokrafo. Obi apie ana yedi enije eni oyo aye adwuma no.
Enti ene krosi mi shop no aha mokra.
Master, say ebe krosi your shop. Any day ebe lucy life and property. Dey na ehia ye. Ehu hia shop no dey yes yan krosi 12. Yeah, your shops no kra no. About 2 still ye gina ye nice na ye adwuma no. Enu kire say ye ni abre.
Okay, from scale from 1 to 100. What the mama Mahama say?
Mema 50. 50 because
what didn't here?
Wa can say ye nya adwuma no. Logistics no amba. Enya ni fault. Ade no abama ye nya ye hu say ehu ya say ye be siesie environment. Intimate stress say next month so say be exercise we ya. Men stress say night ya ra got mu hwe mi sema. Got mu na ye ra no gloves, no Wellington boots. Eni je no ye nim say nde de ye ku ye ho aye. It is the next time no basic logistics to say nose masks, hand sanitizer in case you wear jumana. Those things are necessary. And Wellington boots are at very got animal. My gloves bleeding, intimate stress, His Excellency, on making sure, say, logistics, no. By next month, next exercise, those logistics should come. We are ready to do the job to help the nation.
Medase.
Mr. Medamase.
National cleaning exercise form part of government efforts to tackle sanitation challenges following recent heavy rains and flooding incidents experienced in parts of the country. Reporting for Apex Multimedia Pro Plus, this is Portia Kito.